Well, alrighty then. As soon as I start my video, I hear the weed whacker going. So I hope you can hear me. If not, I won't post it. I'll listen to it. Um, hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ins and outs of one of the most essential tools for any writer, student, or professional, which is Microsoft Word. Um, I mean, I have been asked the question, how do I even write a resume online? I'm old school. I've heard that multiple times, and this is my solution right here. Um, Microsoft for beginners. The basic things that you need to create a resume, write a letter, anything like that. Just paper online, okay? And how to save it and, juice it up. All right. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the interface. And the interface is this up here. Some people call them tabs or whatever. And that's another name for them, but interface, proper term. Okay. Got home, you got insert, draw, design, layout. Okay. There's different, they're commands, you know. So on the ribbon here, it opens the interface. Okay. You can see, you can align right, align left, center. You can make it bold, italics, underline something. You can put your bullet points in. You can number. I'll say, for example, you're putting in skills, right? Enter. Um, what are your skills? What are your skills? You can type these 9 words per minute. Dance, play, swim, win. All right. We just wanted to put some words in here, right? See, look, I know how to spell swim. All right. So I would throw that in there, right? And then I would highlight this, okay? And click that, and that'll put them all with bullets in front of them and just line them right up if that's something you prefer. All right. If you prefer numbers, boom. Okay. And it doesn't, I don't think you would number your skills, but if you wanted to number something, you can do it like that. All right. All right, so let's move right along. That's a couple of, also in this one, you see, you can change the font. Let's Cosmic Sam, maybe, and you. Okay. Oh no, I don't really like that. I need it to be a little bit thicker because that's just not working for me. All right. And you, that didn't have enough sass to it. Well, what do you want? Okay, woman. So you can scroll on down. Oh, I think this might be the one for me. Click it. And you can also, if you like it, right, and it's not bold dark enough for you, you just highlight it. See this B right here? B for boy. Click it. Boom. You could do it like that too. You don't have to now. I'm saying you can. All right. So I'm gonna highlight this one. I'm just gonna grab you that one. Oh, I want something pretty. Okay. It's thin, but it's it's not boxy. A lot of people don't want boxy, but you get the gist of what I'm doing here. Okay. Delete. What else was something that I really think you may need to know? Insert, definitely. You can insert pictures from your computer or online. Insert shapes, icons, graphs. So I mean, they got different graphs if you're working on something that needs graphs, and you can insert the information into them individually. Header and footers. That's important because for me personally, if you want to, if you're typing up something and it has more than one page, you don't want to have to keep typing it every time. Okay. So if you wanted to put Fabulous 222 Earth Street, okay, click out of it. If you wanted for something at the bottom, all right, you go back to insert. Now remember, the headers and the footers are under insert. The pictures, the graphs, all of that. Page number, you can do that here as well. You can also do that under layout, but it's here as well. So let me just click on footer. Click that one. Down here, mom, mother, right? Click off of it. What's this? Okay, let me scroll on down. All right, let me just hit I'll hit a whole bunch of ones so you can see. So whatever you put in the header is going to be on the top of every page. Whatever you put in the footer is going to be on the bottom of every page. You can also add page numbers. Okay, let me just go ahead and insert page number. Top of page, bottom of page. I prefer mine at the bottom of the page. I'd say, yeah, we can just put one. We can put page one though. That is there. Okay. Um. Okay. Let me just so you can see. You don't have to wonder if you're trying later. All right. And you see here, Fabulous 222 Earth Street. Fabulous 222 Earth Street. All right. So like for your resume, for example, right? All right. So you will put that. Of course, you will put these here, and your information. No, some people like to put name and put their name, address, and then put their address. Me personally, I just put my actual name, my actual address, phone number, and my email address. Okay. Easily accessible. You ain't gotta be looking around. So yeah. Let me just hit that. Scroll down here. You see how it changed on the next page. All right. You see how the bottom of this page says 2 and that one says 1. All right. So I think those are the very crucial in knowing. And remember that is under insert. All right. What's another one that's we can hit design. Design is how your layout, how you want your the layout of your document to be. Here, let me come down here where there's some ones. See how it changes? So you can choose how you want it to look, or not. All right. You can change the color and all of that. But in the beginning, yes, we can do that in another video. You can space and indent, and indent is up here. So you can indent. I'll show you. Let me just. You see how it's moving inward. Okay. So I'll pull it back though. I don't want my letter. Oh, I should really type something though. Alright. And that's how it'll start. You hit enter. That's where it'll start again. Alright. But you see this says left. On the right hand, there is nothing. So it'll go straight to the end of it and then go to the next line. Alright. So let's say, let me hit enter. Let's say you only wanted that part indented. So you just pull it back out. You know what I mean? Simple. Alright. What else do I think you may need? References. Footnotes. You know, college, when you're in college. Well, when I was in college, we had to write our papers a certain style, you know, and this helps you a lot. Okay. It's usually for, you know, APA or MLA. Well, when I was getting my degree. All right. So you can citations when you're writing a paper, you had to insert citations. All right. Yeah, yeah. We can go into detail in this in another video, but my people writing resumes, they really don't need this. All right. They do need review though. Spelling and grammar. I'll do a spell check for you. You know what I'm saying? Every word that I wrote is correct. These aren't words, so if you're wondering, that's not a word, it's just a continuous letter. You can check how many words you wrote. It'll read aloud to you. What else do I think you may need? Yeah, yeah. Those are the most important things that I think you may need for um writing a paper. The review tab, so you can proofread, spell check, you know, polish your work up, you know. You can, I know some people like to add pictures. I'm just gonna go ahead and illustrate this really quick. So online, let's say, oh, look at the colorful little birdies. I'll click this one. Oh, it didn't let me do it. Let's try again. Birds, insert. Okay, so you can, you know, insert photos. Okay. Well, I guess I can just go ahead and say this. If you really like the photo, you're going to use it often, things like that, you might want to save it. Okay. But if you right click on it, you can save the photo to the device you're using. Phone, tablet, computer, you know. All right. And now if you save the document, it'll be saved in the document, but you won't be able to get it outside of the document, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense to you guys. All right. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that out of there. I could have deleted it, but I didn't. It's fine. And lastly, let's discuss saving and sharing the document, because obviously you want to save it because you're gonna need to upload it, right? So you would come to file. Let me just go ahead and click that. Oh yeah, come to file. You can click save or save as. Okay. You can save your document to your computer. Let me go ahead and save as. You can save your document to your computer. Yeah. You can save it to your OneDrive. You know, if you have an external drive, you can use that. You can save it to there. So, I mean, or any other location that's your preferred. All right. So that's pretty much it. The basics of Microsoft Word. Now you have a solid understanding of how to use it. It's incredibly versatile too. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment with the features.